Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, this is Cheri.
And this is Kevin. Baby, what do you want to do today?
Let me think. I want to go camping.
Let's do it.
Y'all come tag along with us.
Alright, so we're back at Lake Mineral Wells, and 3 weeks ago I was non-weight bearing and I could not go down this path. Now I get to see it for myself. See how far I can make it. Now they have these fasteners. You rock climbers know what they're called. Hooks in the boulders. All along this valley, crevice. For anybody watching, I don't actually have to use a crutch anymore. I'm full weight bearing on my foot. I just want extra protection.
You're down here now, but can you get back up? That's the thing.
Can you carry me back up?
Can you get back up there?
Listen, I am proud of myself for getting down here. My first hike in 2 months since I broke my leg.
It took a while.
Yeah, it did.
All right.
It's all right. Watch your step and be careful.
Okay.
Early morning light shines bright, chasing dreams into the night. Every step we take, every sigh, through the lows, reaching high. In this world of endless race, time slips by, we keep pace. Holding tight to what we feel, finding truth that's real. Life's a journey, winding road. Carry on, lighten the load. Through the storm and sunshine, smile. Walk this path mile by mile. Hands held tight in unity. Love our only remedy. Through the storm and sunshine, smile. Walk this path mile by mile. Hands held tight in unity. Love our only remedy. Strong and bold, we face the day. In this game we play. Life's a journey, winding road. Carry on, lighten the load. Through the storm and sunshine, smile. Walk this path mile by mile. When we fall, we stand again. No regrets and no refrain. Hearts unfold, our spirits fly. Together we reach the sky.
That was amazing. I'm so grateful for crutches, helping me to be cautious. And for any of you concerned, the bones are healed. I'm allowed to do this. The bones are healed. Just the ligaments are not. So that's why I'm still in the boot. But they're solid. My ankle's solid again. Lake Mineral Wells is home of the infamous Crazy Water, and of course we had to try it. You can learn all about the interesting history of this town and the water at drinkcrazywater.com.
This is our s'mores gathering.
Normally you wear bigger t-shirts. I think a lot of it is that I'm wearing smaller clothes. You look really good.
What is your biggest fear? Ooh. And I would have to say, being buried alive.
Ooh.
Yeah. I see that on TV, it just creeps me out. I'll change a channel.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm standing right in the smoke.
Making s'mores.
What you got going on over here?
Playing trash.
Oh, image?
You mean eating trash?
Little card game?
Yeah, it's called trash.
Oh, cool.
Give it to yourself. With Jack. Thanks. Bigger than card. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Cheri. And today we're going to experiment with something I've never done before. I'm going to try to make pizza in the skillet with pre-made pizza dough, and we're just going to see how it turns out. I cut the dough into 4 squares, put some butter in my skillet, and I'm just going to cook one side. And then flip it over, put the toppings on while the other side's cooking. The toppings can be warming up. So of course you can't use any toppings that have to be cooked thoroughly, just warmed. Because what is my number 1 rule, baby?
Don't poison your people.
Don't poison your people. We're just gonna see. Has anyone ever done this like this? Like, I didn't even YouTube it, but we're gonna see if this works. All right guys, that has been cooking for about 4 minutes. And so let's check it out. We're gonna flip it over. Ooh, that looks good actually. It's yummy. You have to put it on the lowest setting on this stove so that it slow cooks and doesn't burn. We're gonna put some sauce down. Kevin's favorite is pepperoni. He loves onions. So we're throwing on some onions and pepperoni and cheese. And I did have it covered to keep the heat in to help the dough cook a little bit better. And then finally we're going to top it with some cheese. And again, I had to keep it on the lowest setting so that cooks nice and slow. Probably about 4 more minutes and this should be done.
How's your leg doing?
I'm walking. Look, walking on 2 feet.
Awesome.
It's been 2 months. And I became full weight bearing this week.
Here's the final product.
All right, guys, there it is. The trick is to go super, super slow, low heat and cover it. So. I mean, this is an experiment we've never done. Okay, scale from 0 to 10.
Well, the dough's not done.
All right. Okay, so we stretched this one out bigger, made it thinner, cooked it a lot lower, and for several more minutes. And this is my Hawaiian pizza.
What do you give it?
That was much better. It worked. It's crispy.
All right.
The crust is crispy.
Scale 1
And
to
it's
10.
delicious. I'm gonna give it an 8 because it should have been a 10 to start with. This weekend we are in spot number 19. I'll show you our setup. I actually love this location because we're surrounded by these beautiful trees. There's my potty tent. And you've got these gorgeous steps up to the fire ring and the picnic table, and all we can see forever is just beautiful woods and rocks and a ridge. And it's very hot and sunny, so we have all the shades out that we can get, and we did not have enough room for the awning to go out, so we modified it and put the legs on the brick wall, and it worked out beautifully. There's my chair when I need to put my foot up for a little while. But y'all, this spot is gorgeous. Very spacious, very private. Really can't see the neighbors. And we are on our way to the potluck. Super excited for that. So we'll see you there. It is our last morning of this weekend, and this group always has an amazing breakfast Sunday morning of waffles and sausage and bacon. So let's go see what we're gonna have for breakfast.
It's hot.
Sure.
You want the whole thing or
The whole
just
thing,
two?
Cheri?
Baby, that's yours.
No, I'll put it with it. How about that?
Oh, darn.
Bobby.
Everybody got what they need?
It's gotten like 4 o'clock.
Boy,
That's true. It smells like a boy.
sort of. I decided to.
Maximus,
What are you doing over there? Huh?
he's just looking for
What are you
any
doing?
droppings.